रब्बा करे.
Rabba gets find the way. Finally Rabba ने किया. Bike side. सही है. Look at center.
Congratulations. Watches.
Good center.
You're right. Right, man.
He's a working partner.
Now, what was it? Right here. You're right.
We can do one right to left at one time. Right to left.
Once again. Can I just have a mic, please? The mic is...
Yes.
There. Thank you. Please, Urushi, have a seat.
मोबाइल नीचे लो.
ये लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया क्योंकि उस टाइम 2006 की बात है ये and I think those time not remixes were happening.
Absolutely.
You know, Harry Anand, Kaanta Laga, all those things were happening, you know. And then suddenly I think when this track dropped, a emotional track, you know, with those lovely visuals and you know dialogues and all, so I think वो कुछ तक impact पड़ा लोगों के दिलों में, you know, मतलब काफी.
आरी पिया बिना अलीरी आरी पिया बिना सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन की नोरत वखटत मोहि तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिना सखीरी आरी पिया बिना.
This is wonderful. So wonderful.
एक गाना गाना चाहूँगा चलो ये है यहाँ पर and आप भी सब हैं. So the song actually which kind of changed my perception, you know, for love songs and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी. So I'll sing few lines of you. तू ही जिंद मेरी है दिल दा करार नी तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता सोनिए हीरे तेरी याद आंदी है सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है. Thank you. तेरा दिल मैं बढ़ जावा धड़कूं मैं तुझ में हमेशा इसका बिल में बढ़ जावा मन्नतों को रहमतों में यार तू बदल दे जरा मेरे माही सुन मेरे माही तेरे साथ साथ रहना मेरे दिल की आस हर एक सांस सब तेरे नाम लिखना. Thank you.
Thank you. अच्छा आपकी पर्सनल वीडियो की
You have no, by the way, you don't have no idea that he dances also amazingly well. So, एक डांस को बनना है.
अलाउड ही रखना.
रब्बा करे ऐसा कुछ होए
फॉरवर्ड करूं.
तेरा दिल में बढ़
थोड़ा और
रुकना जरा.
धड़कूं मैं तुझ में
करके मार.
Yes.
हाथ निकाल.
मेरे माही तेरे साथ साथ रहना मेरे दिल की आस हर एक सांस सब तेरे कराते हैं ठीक से. So this is a small step.
Shell, I must say, I mean, whether it's Hiriye, Soniye, whether it's Rabba Kare, I mean, tell me about this, your love for these emotional, heartfelt songs. I mean, are you a die-hard romantic at heart, or does it come very naturally to you?
I am definitely romantic at heart. And actually I grew up listening to Nazia Hassan and Zoe Hassan. So their songs, Biddu was actually my, like the first album came out with Biddu. And I think listening to those songs when I was very young, like 6-7 years old, Chehra, Jana, so I think वहाँ से एक शुरुआत हुई, and then I think I just love the essence of the melodies, the lyrics. Lyrics are very important for me. I think because when I used to hear Zoe and Nazia, even in their songs, lyrics were the most important part. And for Biddu, lyrics were very important. So I think thanks to Biddu and the entire journey.
but tell me very honestly, did you imagine Soniye, Hiriye to be such a timeless classic and get so much of enduring love?
I never thought that, honestly, because Hiriye was dropped in time. There's so many remixes happening, and I told my team that, guys, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? कोई नहीं सुनने वाला ये गाना. They're like, नहीं, आप ना just listen to the melody. So Dada came to the office at Carter Road, and he got his PT, harmonium, and he said, "Baitho, okay, back there." Then he started playing, some tunes. I said, "Haan, theek hai, it's nice." He's like, "Just sing this song in the studio. Rest you leave it to me, and then you hear the final mix." So when I heard the final mix, I had goosebumps. But I never knew that this song will reach, that milestone. I think thanks to everybody here. I think people who understand melodies and soulful songs. We just tried our best. I think it happened. I think thanks to the universe.
Can I please also add
Please,
one thing?
yeah.
I have to say one more thing that it's kind of tough for any artist, be it like a singer, musician, or an actor to have such a, I would say, like a lifelong evergreen classic. And you have that already. So you are really very lucky and very blessed that you have something like a Hiriye, which is such a timeless classic. Yeah.
I think it's like DDLJ.
Yes.
Like a movie. When I was shooting for my earlier songs, I remember the whole team was there. Kunal Kohli, Saroj Khan ji was there. So we stayed at Sanem in Switzerland at the same hotel where the whole DDLJ team was there. So I'm just, kind of just recalling the whole thing. And I think, as she rightly said that it is difficult to create something, but sometimes what happens. That control is not in your hands. So the song, yeah.
Listen, you need to give a behind the scenes of all the songs.
Shell, you are a successful businessman as well as singer, and you've been singing also since a long time, and you're doing business also since a long time. How do you manage to, engage with both of them, and how do you manage to?
I think it's just your simple thought process. I've never thought so much about my other part of the business. When I'm singing, it's completely, I'm in this zone. And I think my team knows, that.
Mike.
हर बार जब आपसे मिलता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you're trying so hard and you always manage to succeed. So now that you are the it girl in Bodyland, और सब लोग चाहते हैं कि उर्वशी के साथ we should make some kind of a project. How does it feel now?
First of all, extremely grateful and very thankful for such sweet words and very kind words. I must say, first of all, extremely elated to have all of you here. Thank you so much to all the members of media. I'm just truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since the beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, Wo Chand Kahan Se Laogi, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography, and people love it even way more.
Low, Shell, it happens, when you have, there's a lucky charm ho jata hai. And when the lucky charm sort of works, it really, just one second. Should I wait for the lights to come back on?
No, we can continue.
Okay, good. So a lucky charm ban jata hai, and it sort of really works. And I think she's become that lucky charm. Wherever you go, you'll see Urvashi these days.
And she's traveling, I think, every day. I mean, मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती हैं, कभी वहाँ होती हैं, कभी यहाँ. It's really amazing. See, keeping yourself, engaged with so many things, and again keeping yourself so fit and fine.
That is another thing
That is-
also.
no, that is-
उर्वशी का जो वर्कआउट शेड्यूल उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ.
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है. But I think it's all a hard work, and I again.
Would it be for the South industry since you're so familiar there, and will it be for Hindi industry?
टाकू महाराज का टीजर देखा,
हाँ.
मजा आया. अभी आप आगे देखिए, तबाही आ रही है.
क्या बात है.
धमाका आने वाला
लेकिन
है.
डेब्यू किस में करोगे? रोमांटिक नंबर में, सोलफुल नंबर में, किस में करोगे?
I think
और किसको लोगे अपने ऑपोजिट?
No, I thought that नजर बनाए शायद.
मेरा समझ आ चुका है.
नहीं.
Yeah?
Come on.
I already did a brief अभी एक performance दिया स्पेशल
हाँ.
आप सभी के लिए. I think आपने लिखा.
जी.
जी देखा. I would say it would be like something pop.
Oh wow.
Maybe something pop and something very, how do I say, like something dance oriented.
Okay.
And pop mix.
Okay.
दीपिका जी, she's